Here is our passenger elevator. Please check here. This is our LOP. You can see the bottom light and the flashing. All light is white, so looks very business. Let's go inside. You can see this mirror, arching hairline stainless steel. We're using this design over here. And we have 4 side mirror. And we're using the COP is full height type. So when you're standing inside, you will feel very comfortable. We're using the ceiling is full height type ceiling and with LED light. So sometimes LED light, someone is broken in your country, it's very easy to find it, and you can very easy to replace one of it. This is our passenger elevator, and you know this all type design is standard for our passenger elevator. If you want to buy it, this all decoration, no need you increase any money. If you want to know more, follow me. I want to take you to see how is our villa lift. Let's go.